More than 12 years after the death of 22-year-old Chakadan Daniel while in police custody, the High Court has ruled that the state violated the constitutional rights of his mother by failing to carry out a prompt and effective investigation. Justice Alvin Shiva Parasingh ordered authorities to complete the investigation within 6 months and awarded Daniel's mother, Frances Daniel, $75,000 EC in constitutional damages. Many citizens believe that after waiting more than a decade for justice, the mother deserved greater compensation.
It is very unfair, and it will not bring the money, will not be sufficient, and will not bring closure. Not enough further to compensate the lady for her loss. You know, it will always be in her heart that she lost her son. And up to now, nobody cannot tell her how it happened. She don't know definitely how it happened. So it's a sad moment, a sad situation. And I think, you know, on top of it, whatever, how much you said they offered? It's 75,000. Well, I hope she get a little thing better than that. She could have get 100,000. She could have get that.
Everybody that sees the story knows that it wasn't right. You know what happened to the guy, the young guy in prison. He got hung, and he got, $75,000. That doesn't do anything. My thing would be 500,000 to help the children until they are 18 years old. You understand? And the police, whoever, there should be an investigation into that still, and they should be brought to justice because this cannot be right.
Others, however, believe that while the amount may not fully reflect the family's ordeal, it is better than receiving no compensation at all.
If it's that they can afford, that's what they give, but it was a tragic death. Huh?
Better that than nothing, you understand. It's better, half a loaf is better than none. I know you need a lot, but that's all right. You can do with that.
Chakadan Daniel died while being held at the Mikud police station on October 23, 2013. Police informed his mother that he had taken his own life by hanging inside his cell, but she has consistently questioned that account after viewing her son's body. A postmortem examination found that Daniel died from asphyxia caused by ligature compression of the neck, but also documented blunt force injuries to his head and abrasions around his neck. The pathologist concluded that while self-inflicted hanging appeared more likely, the possibility that he was assaulted, strangled, and the scene altered could not be ruled out. In July 2015, a coroner's jury returned a verdict of unlawful killing. Despite that finding, no one has been charged and the investigation remained incomplete for more than a decade. Commissioner of Police Vern Gad told a recent police press conference that since taking office in September 2024, investigators have carried out additional forensic examinations, DNA testing, and a peer review of the original pathology reports. However, the court found that those recent efforts could not justify the lengthy delay that followed Daniel's death. Justice Parasingh also ruled that Frances Daniel had the legal right to pursue her own constitutional claim, finding that the prolonged failure to complete the investigation denied her the protection of the law. If the investigation is not completed within the court's 6-month deadline, the state must submit a detailed report explaining the work completed, the reasons for the delay, the remaining investigative steps, and when the case is expected to be concluded. For Hot 7 News, I'm Chloe Dantes reporting.